Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Miss Divalicious. Surprise! I know you saw the dyeing hair video, but this is pretty much the final level of my hair. I'm gonna add a couple brown streaks to it, but this is pretty much it. As you can see, I'm putting it up. So, this is the new and improved Miss Divalicious, aka Tiff. Let me know what you think. I'm loving it. I don't know. That's just me, I guess. But I love it. Actually about to do my nails in a minute. But if you wonder what I have in my eyes, I have from the Hello Kitty collection. This is Max Junks, I think it's called, or Junks. It's a real pretty green color, and that's in my the outer portion of my eye. If you can see that, let me show you. Okay. On the lid, I don't think you can even see it. Middle, inner eye portion, partial of the lid, I have Stars and Rockets, also by the Hello Kitty Mac edition. If you can see it. Okay. And then on the lining of the eye, as well as a liquid eyeliner, I will show you in a minute. It's also from the Hello Kitty. This is I got this from eBay. It's my big collection I just bought. It's Gold Mine. Real pretty gold color. So, and I also put a No Name. Well, it's not No Name. It's from the Color Workshop, Mark Wynn's eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, in like a yellow gold. It's also on the lining and underneath the eyes. I'm wearing e.l.f. primer as eye primer. My lipstick is actually a combination of Wet n Wild Nove Pink lipstick and e.l.f. 2-in-1 conditioning and Supermodel. And for my mascara, I'm wearing e.l.f.'s regular mascara from Mascara Duo, which I just tried. And if I say so myself, it is absolutely amazing. I love it. It makes my eyes pop. In my personal opinion, I think my new hair color and everything is making my eyes just stand out. I'm not so bleeding in the background anymore, and my personality is funky, so I have different funky hair to go with it. As far as my eyeliner, it's just e.l.f.'s Bright Eye eyeliner. That's pretty much it. You know, I got my hair with my little poof and my new cut bang my sister cut for me. Like I said, I'm just gonna be adding a few streaks to either side of my head, and you know, I hope you guys like the new hairdo. Make sure you subscribe, rate, and comment. Sorry, I'm a little out of it today. I'm also gonna do a quick video of me just doing my nails. Again, if you want to see a tutorial on this look, it's not really, I don't know if you can see it that well. It's a very kind of like light neutral. I think it's bright, and the camera's not picking up how bright it is, but if you'd like to see a tutorial of this look, post a comment and, you know, underneath the bar below, or send me a PM and let me know. But until then, you guys have yourself a wonderful day. A great weekend coming up in a couple days, and the rest of your week, and just enjoy yourselves and live life to the fullest, because you know what, don't worry about what other people say. Don't worry about what other people think. You know, at the end of the day, you gotta make yourself happy. So God is love, and love is God, and you know what, I love you guys, and have yourselves just a wonderful time being who you are. Don't let nobody change you. Alright? Hope you enjoy. Bye. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Miss Diva. She's coming through with a quick small video to introduce you to the little beautiful girl in my life. I don't have any kids, so this is close thing to my daughter that I have. And this is my little Tinkerbell. Look, camera. Look, right there. Look. She is a toy Minton, and she is a little over a year old. She's a good girl. She still acts like a baby a lot though. But just introducing her. Just camera shy, look at this. She was just taking pictures a minute ago. Put your head up. Look. Look up. What? You don't want? Oh, do you want to play? You want to play? Come on. Getting mad. Ooh. Ooh. Come on. You getting mad? Gonna get you. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. You can't reach it. Look, you can't reach it. Oh, you can't. Ow. You bully. Give me a kiss. You hurt me. Give me a kiss. You hurt mama. Nope. Give me a kiss. Hey. She ain't gonna give me a kiss. She's being mean. Hey. You don't love me. You fucking with her. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. She's a lover. She's a good girl. Just wanted to introduce you guys to. Oh, she's licking my lips. Stop. What? What do you want? You want to go outside? Oh? Oh, do you want to go outside? Oh, the mirrors. Okay. Oh, go outside. Go outside. Okay. I guess that's my cue. Thanks for watching. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. You too. Mwah.